Homemade Shake Rainforest Crunch recipe, easy DIY dessert. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making something extra special, a Shake Rainforest Crunch. It's a delightful combination of creamy goodness and crunchy toppings that will leave your taste buds begging for more. So let's dive right in. Ingredients: vanilla ice cream, milk, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, whipped cream, crushed cookies or granola, chocolate shavings. Instructions. Step 1. Blend the base. Now, grab your blender and add a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream. Next, pour in some milk to help achieve that smooth, creamy consistency. Don't be shy with the ice cream, the more, the merrier. Perfect. Our base is looking nice and creamy. Now, let's move on to the fun part, adding the flavorings. Step 2. Add flavorings. Drizzle in some chocolate syrup for that rich, chocolaty taste. And of course, we can't forget about the caramel syrup for that sweet, caramel flavor. Feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste preferences. Step 3. Blend again. Now, let's give everything another quick blend to make sure all the flavors are well incorporated. Ah, I can already smell the sweetness. Step 4. Prepare the toppings. While our shake base is blending, let's prepare our toppings. Today, we're using crushed cookies to add that satisfying crunch, but you can also use granola or any other crunchy topping you like. Get creative. Step 5. Assemble your shake. Alright, our shake base is ready, and our toppings are all set. Now it's time to assemble our Shake Rainforest Crunch. Start by pouring our creamy shake into a tall glass, leaving some room at the top for our delicious toppings. Next, top it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream. Don't be afraid to pile it high, the more, the better. Now, sprinkle on our crushed cookies or granola for that irresistible crunch. Make sure to cover the entire surface for maximum enjoyment. And finally, no Shake Rainforest Crunch is complete without a sprinkle of chocolate shavings on top. It adds the perfect finishing touch to our decadent dessert. Step 6. Enjoy. And there you have it, our mouth-watering Shake Rainforest Crunch is ready to be enjoyed. Grab a straw, give it a good stir, and sip away to dessert heaven. Thank you so much for joining us today as we whipped up this delicious Shake Rainforest Crunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats. Until next time, happy shaking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.